This video will show you how to update and create projects via Excel. First, create the data by going into the hamburger and selecting Reporting, then Reports. Select Program from the subnavigation, scroll, and select Project Summary Export. Choose the relevant revenue and internal cost chart of accounts. Export it to Excel by selecting Excel from the Format drop-down menu. Click View to open the file in Excel. This file will give you a row-by-row summary of project information, including budget fee and dates. Enable editing to begin updating the information. Then update any part of the projects. You can choose to sort data to update the address of multiple projects, input budget information, and anything else you may need. In this example, we are updating addresses and adding cost information. Once updates have been completed, select the data range and copy it. Head back into UniPhi and change from Reports to Summary. Click Import. As we updated cost information, click on the drop-down list and select Cost. Then go ahead and paste the copied information in. UniPhi will automatically identify categories, but you will need to go through row by row and make sure each column is identified to the right category to map it. Select the correct field from each drop-down that you wish to import, in this case, project name, location, budget information, and its relevant fields, as well as the forecasted finish date. UniPhi matches the imported Excel data to the relevant projects via the project ID number. Validate the data. If invalid data has been uploaded, the cells will be outlined in red. You can hover over them to show the reason for the error. Since the data is valid, please proceed by pressing the green button to save your changes. You can verify if the projects have been updated by checking the project summary screen. You can also check if the budget has been updated by going to the Costs module, navigating to the Budget section, and selecting the chart of accounts we've updated. You have now successfully updated project data via Excel. If you need any more help, visit our website or contact us for more information.